about to give them what they want.
Go Beastmode, dude.
I don't think they're ready for this, though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode.
What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. So check it out, fam. It's been a while since I've vlogged for you guys. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pull my camera out, take you through my day. All right, so I'm about to do a couple of calls real quick. Got a couple of calls to make. And after I do my calls, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the gym. All right, y'all stay tuned.
Just imagine this, right? You are qualified to teach someone that is one step before you. So, personal trainers, obviously you are very, very fit. You can command a room with your moral authority with the second you walk in.
Still have all my equipment in storage. So, you know, whenever the time feels right, I would love to do another small gym. You know, I do miss training clients in person.
All right, homie, check this out. If you're somebody that struggles like with stiff shoulders, let me tell you, it could be because you need to do multi-directional movement and try throwing in isometrics. Isometrics is a great way to fire up those stabilizers, okay? Remember, we have eccentric, that's the negative rep. The concentric, that's the positive. And the isometric, those static holds. For the hose. Here we go. Head up. See, I pretend like there's a string above my head and I pull my head up, okay? Now everything's engaged. Keep that head focused and just hold. I'm gonna hold 30 seconds straight, okay? I'm gonna do a half a scoop of pump and grind, half a scoop of pump and grind, and I'm feeling fine. You already know, Tiger. Finish that girl. Now this right here, fam, I like this. This is nice and smooth. Does this replace dumbbell raises? Absolutely not. Does this replace cable side raises? Absolutely not. But I love this machine. I definitely recommend throwing this in rotation, and especially if you're somebody who's struggling with tight shoulder blades, this is another great machine to do some isometrics on. Look. Hold it right here. Get the breathing right first. So with good breathing, the shoulder blades can raise up and down the way they need to. You gotta breathe properly, okay? So look at that, like a bird. Look at that, he's flying with you. Look at this shit, flying with these things. Take your time, now look at this, do a hold. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 1, 2, let me tell y'all, fam. Do that for 3 months, shoulder blades feeling nice and loose, okay? Can't be giving you all my secrets. Now fam, remember in the past when Jeff Cavalier got caught lifting fake weights, very viral? Many influencers, myself included, talked about it a little bit. You're in your fucking 40s. Post a fucking tutorial video with real fucking weights. Damn. I want to apologize about something I said in that video. In that video, I said Jeff Cavalier was capping. I said ain't no way in hell he was waiting around 1 year, 1 day out of the year, which is his birthday. He was waiting around for his birthday to come to have that one cheat meal, that one piece of carrot cake.
Follows me, gets excited around my birthday because they know it's the one time a year that I actually splurge and eat carrot cake. But I don't know why, because it's not that big a deal to me. It's just a piece of carrot cake.
Hell, get the fuck out of here, bro. Really? That's strike 2 for capping. We don't do that. We don't do that. That's strike 2 for capping. I said he was capping. Now, although it was just a joke, looking now, the man's very disciplined. I've never seen this man fat. The man is always crispy. Although I was just joking, I apologize for that because as a trainer, I gotta be careful about what I say about other trainers. However, don't get it fucked up. He's dead ass wrong, super dead ass wrong about them upright rows, okay? Cable upright rows, and this will make a great video in the future, man, can actually help the shoulder girdle, okay? You just gotta have good form.
You gotta have technique. You gotta have finesse. Like I said, cable upright rows. I like the freeway version, but this cable version can really help with tightness and stiffness in the shoulder blades. Look at this right here. So, grab it. I get my feet set first, okay? Get my feet set first. You might even want to try it barefoot because the tension is going to rise through your feet throughout the whole body and you'll be able to feel it, okay? Get the breathing together. Focus on my fingers. Every part of my body is connected to my brain, even down to my pinky fingers. Get everything connected, okay? Feet and fingers, and breathe. Relax. 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 Now look, I feel my shoulder blades coming up and down. Come close. You know how I told you the breathing? I can feel my shoulder blades coming up and down as I breathe, okay? Now look, connect with my elbows. Breathe, and bam. Nice pause on every rep. Bam. You can even do some isometrics to really strengthen the shoulder girdle, strengthen those stabilizers. Look, I'm gonna do a whole 5-second hold, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at my head. I turn my head here. I turn my head here. Do my shoulder blades, do my shoulders look like they're in danger of being impinged? Look at this. Okay. At the end of the day, all respect to Jeff Cavalier, but anybody that says cable upright rows are not good for bodybuilding, you don't know bodybuilding. Bodybuilding is an art. There's a difference between fitness and the art of bodybuilding. Two different arts, okay? Bam. All right, homies and homies, so I'm home now from the gym, about to eat, shower, and get ready to head to Dallas, fam. Long story short, let me let you in. Get this light up out of my face, damn. Let me let y'all in on a little bit of the season I'm in right now. Lately, pretty much all I've been doing is just working out, taking care of my clients, focusing on family. You understand? And right now, I'm about to go visit my father. He's not doing very well health-wise. Long story short, without getting too deep into it, fam, he had a much-needed kidney transplant. My father has been on kidney dialysis for 3+ years. Was fortunate enough to get a kidney transplant in January, and let me tell you, it's probably some of the best news we've gotten in a long time. We were all happy, my brothers, my mother, the whole family. We were excited, but long story short, fam, with his kidney disease, the kidney is still not taking well. His body is rejecting. He's been in the hospital for the past 4 months, and it's not looking good. So, you know, we just got to go spend some time with him. It's honestly, fam, we've been dealing with this for the past few months. It's just getting real bad this week. You know, we're already mentally prepared for the worst. We got family flying in. Season I'm in, I'm just happy to work out and maintain a positive mindset. Just all bullshit aside, just waking up, maintaining a positive mindset is all I can ever ask for right now. All right, fam, getting this post-workout carb together. Getting this post-workout carb together. Slicing this thing up. Okay. Already know somebody's gonna have something to say about my potato slicing skills. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Yeah. Then we get this avocado oil spray. Look, tastes like French fries. I'm telling you. Close enough anyway. Spray it on down. Sprinkle it on up. Okay. Then we flip it on the other side. Okay. Bring it on down. Flip it on the other side. There we go. Easy. Now we get my hand and just blend it on in. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. Check these out. You can get these on Amazon for the air fryer covers. Okay. And bam. Easy money. I'm gonna put these in for 20 minutes. Be good to go, all right? Bam, now while that's coming together, while that's coming together, come over here, my brother. All right, we got some GAF whey. Y'all be sure to go to tigerfitness.com and get your creatine. Now! Okay. It's 5 grams of creatine. Now, I typically make smoothies, but I got these pineapples left over. Need to go ahead and eat them, so I'm gonna snack on these. You know, as you see right here, we got frozen fruit. We can make the smoothies, but you know, I'm gonna have a regular protein shake, snack on the pineapples. For the ones that happen to give a fuck, you know, I know some people don't give a fuck, but for the ones that actually care about details, that's for you, okay? Alright, put that up in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and sip on this. Sip on this, go outside, get a little sun and reflect while the potatoes are cooking, then have me a bigger meal, okay? This is a little snack, post-workout snack. Fuck with me. TigerFitness.com. Already told y'all about this hippie shit, you know, some of that hippie shit do be working. Getting a little bit of sunlight, a little bit of grounding is gonna make a difference. Hey, it's Men's Mental Health Month. You know, shout outs to everybody that takes priority with their mental health, all right? Shout outs to you. Bam. All right, so I took a shower, changed, all right? Here's my meal. Some air fried potatoes. Yeah, no sugar added ketchup right here. And this right here is from a meal prep company called Icon Meals. I got chicken, steak, and rice right here, okay? Easy money right here. Chicken, steak, and rice, some potatoes, and a sugar-free drink. Easy money. So I'm enjoying this meal. Oh, I almost forgot. Got that G. Hughes barbecue sauce, okay? Let y'all know, you know, some of y'all care about the details. And Hughes we trust, okay? All right, at the hospital parking lot. Right. Got my laptop right here. I'm gonna finish up on a little work while I'm here. That's what I usually do. I do my clients at home or I do the clients here. You know, I'm grateful for being able to work from home, for being able to work wherever I want. You know, that's the benefit of being an online coach. All right, homies and homettes. Been here a while. Dad's taking a nap. Let me go over the camera real quick. So here my brother. Say what's up, bro.
What's going on?
So getting a little hungry, guys. Just got done doing some work. And I'm watching some of my old videos. Just killing some time, my bro. What you think of some IHOP?
Yeah,
So I'm gonna go pick us up some food and call it a night, alright? Bam. Alright, homies and homettes. The beast is hungry. Okay, the beast is hungry. So check it. I got the egg whites and steak tips. I got some protein pancakes and some grits. Fun fact, they didn't have any grits, they ran out. Good thing I had my own in the truck, okay? You know, sometimes after leaving the hospital, I'll go to Denny's. And you know, Denny's stopped serving grits, so I keep some instant grits in my truck just in case. Fam, just got home. Denise and Brooke are asleep. Apparently, they're making burgers. So check, I'm about to have me a snack. Some cottage cheese, a little bit of fruit, and go to bed. It's pretty late, all right? Well, anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Keep this in mind. I'm not cutting, bulking, nothing like that. Just keeping my physique maintained and, you know, using my energy to focus on things that really matter to me, okay? But keep in mind, this is a lifestyle. As you see, I'm still in that gym, still doing the work, okay? If anybody's out there looking for online coaching, you already know, Beastmode316.com. I really love working from home, really love doing online coaching, especially times like this where I got other things going on. It really helps me out a lot, all right? Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. of silence before we fuck up these weights.